discussed in the last class? Yes, in the last class we learned how to add and how to subtract the capacity, right? Students, by using that concept you have to solve these two problems. Okay? This is the first problem. It is 25 liter 50 milliliter plus 32 liter 34 milliliter. So already you know which part are you adding first? Yes, you always add milliliter part at first, right? See here, 0 plus 4. What is 0 plus 4? It is 4. So write down here 4. The next, 5 plus 3. What is 5 plus 3? 5 plus 3 is 8. Okay. So now here is milliliter, right? So after adding milliliter part, write down milliliter. Okay. So now come to the later part. It is 5 plus 2. What is 5 plus 2? 5 plus 2 is 7. So write down here 7. The next, 2 plus 3. What is 2 plus 3? 2 plus 3 is 5. So write here 5. So next, which unit are they gave here? Liter, right? So here also you have to write down liter. So students, so 57 liter, 84 milliliter. So this is the sum. So now come to the second problem. Here is minus, means you have to do subtraction operation, right? See here, the given problem is 827 milliliter minus 253 milliliter, right? So here only they gave the milliliter part, right? Yes. See, 7 minus 3. What is 7 minus 3? 7 minus 3 is 4. So write here. The next, 8 minus 5. What is 8 minus 5? It is 3. Write here the number 3. The next, 8 minus 2. What is 8 minus 2? 8 minus 2 is 6. So write here 6. See, which symbol are they give? Milliliter, right? So in difference also you write down the milliliter. So students, it is 634 milliliter. So this is about our previous class. So now come to our today's new concept. Do you know which is that? Yes, you are right. It is a word problems. Students, so this is your first word problems. I am reading, all of you listen here. See here, a milkman sold 125 liter of milk in colony A and 65 liter of milk in colony B on Monday. What is the total milk he sold on Monday? Students, so this is a story about a milkman. Okay, once he went to sold a milk, right? So students, look here. So the milkman sold 125 liter of milk in colony A. Yes, colony means in Kannada it is Oni, right? On Monday he sold milk for 2 colonies. At first the colony A. In colony A he sold 125 liter of milk. After that in colony B. See, here is a colony B, right? So in colony B he sold 65 liter of milk. So next, look here. What is the total milk he sold on Monday? Yes, here you have to find out the total milk sold by the milkman, right? See, total means you have to add these 2 liters. Then you are getting the total milk he sold on Monday, right? So students, what is your first statement? Students, the first statement is milk sold in colony A. How much? Yes, in colony A he sold 125 liter, right? So write down here 125 liter. The next, come to colony B. See, how much? It is 65 liter. So milk sold in colony B is 65 liter. Okay, don't start from 100 place. Because in 65 the 100 place is absent. Only a tens and ones place are present, right? So write down 65 here. So next, what is the next step? So you have to find out the total milk sold on Monday, right? means you have to add these two. Then you are getting the total milk. Okay. So yes, it is 125 liter plus 65 liter. Okay. See here. 5 plus 5. What is 5 plus 5? So 5 plus 5, it is 10. Students, this 10, it is a 2-digit number, right? So write this 0 here, and the next write down the 1 in the tens column. Okay. So next, 2 plus 6. What is 2 plus 6? 2 plus 6 is 8. 8 plus 1, it is 9. So write down here 9. The next, come to the last place, that is hundreds. Here only 1 is there. And here the 100 place is absent, right? So 1 plus 0, it is 1. See here, 190 liter. What is this 190 liter? It is the total milk sold on Monday, right? So write down the conclusion statement, students. So this is a conclusion statement. The milkman sold 190 liter of milk on Monday. Okay. So students, so now I will interchange the number. So you have to solve this problem in your home. Students, so here I changed the liters, right? So you have to solve this problem in your home. Okay. Students, so this is a second word problem. I am reading, all of you look here. A restaurant had 525 liter 750 milliliter of juice. Okay. It sold 225 liter 250 milliliter of juice. How much juice is left with the restaurant? So students, it is a story about a restaurant, right? So look here, here is one restaurant, right? So in this restaurant, they sold different types of juices, right? See, at first the total amount of juice is 525 liter and 750 milliliter of juice is present in that restaurant. Okay. So next, it sold 225 liter 250 milliliter of juice. So in that restaurant, what happened? In total juice, so 225 liter and 250 milliliter of juice was sold. Okay. So now you have to calculate the how much juice is left in this restaurant. Means you have to do which operation? Yes, here you have to do a subtraction operation. Okay. So what is our first step, students? So the first statement is total juice at the restaurant. How much? It is 525 liter 750 milliliter. So write here 525 liter and 750 milliliter. Okay. The second one is juice sold. How much? See here, 225 liter and 250 milliliter. See, like that you have to write down. See, liter, in between liter and milliliter you should leave space. Okay. So next, here we are going to find out how much juice is left with the restaurant. So how much juice left means you have to do subtraction operation. Yes. So you always subtract from milliliter part after liter part. Yes, look here. 0 minus 0. It is 0. The next, 5 minus 5. It is also 0. The next, 7 minus 2. It is 5. Write here 5. See, here is milliliter, so write here also milliliter. The next, come to the later part. 5 minus 5. It is 0. Write here 0. The next, 2 minus 2. It is also 0. The next, 5 minus 2. It is 3. Write down here 3. See here, the liter is there. So here also you have to write a liter. So what is the difference? It is 300 liter, 500 milliliter. So this is the total amount of juice left in that restaurant. So what is our conclusion statement? Students, the juice left with the restaurant is 300 liter, 500 milliliter. Okay. So students, so this is about a word problems. Okay. So students, now I will move to the textbook activity. So all of you open your textbook and open the page number 127. So here is an exercise number 5.4. In that the total number of questions are 3. Okay. So now I will show how to solve the first 2 problems. So in the same way you have to do the third one in your home. Okay students. So this is an exercise number 5.4. In that the first problem. Okay. See, look here. The capacity of red barrel is 160 liters and the capacity of blue barrel is 290 liters. So what is the total capacity of barrels? So this is the first word problem, right? So first of all, what is barrel? Do you know that, students? So look here, this is a barrel. We are using this barrel to store the large amount of oils. For example, kerosene and some vegetables oils are stored in this barrel, right? So look here, the first one, the capacity of red barrel. They gave red barrel. So this is a red barrel, right? So in that the total capacity of this barrel is 160 liter. Okay. In the same way, the capacity of the blue barrel. Here is a red. After that, blue, right? So the blue barrel capacity is 290 liters. So here you have to find out the total capacity of both the barrels, both the red and also the blue. Means here you have to find out total capacity of the 2 barrels. Means you have to do addition operation, right? Students, the first statement is the capacity of red barrel. How much? It is 160 liter. So write down here 160 liter. The next, the capacity of blue barrel. How much? It is 290. So write down here 290 liter. Okay. So here you have to find out the total capacity of barrels, right? So I am writing plus, means you have to do these two, means you have to add these two numbers. So look here, 0 plus 0, it is 0. The next, 6 plus 9, what is 6 plus 9? 6 plus 9 is 15, right? So 15 is 2-digit number. So write this 5 here and the next, write the 1 in the hundreds column. Okay. The next, 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 1. It is 5. So, here is a liter. So, here in answer also you have to add the liter. So, what is this? So, this is the total capacity of the barrels. How much? 550 liter. So, write down the conclusion statement. Students, so this is a conclusion statement. So look here, the total capacity of both barrel is 550 liter. Okay. So this is the first word problems. Now I will move to the second one. Students, so this is a second word problem. See, Sonia bought 50 liter 750 milliliter of kerosene. She used 12 liter 750 milliliter of it. How much kerosene is left with her? So it is a story about Sonia. Okay. Once she went to grocery shop and she purchased kerosene. Right. See, she bought 50 liter 75 milliliter of kerosene. Right. So do you know kerosene? In Kannada it is Seeme Enne. See, in villages they are used as a fuel. But in nowadays we are using LPG, right? But in villages they are using kerosene as a fuel, right? See, this is a kerosene. Okay, first she bought 50 liter 750 milliliter of kerosene in a shop, right? The next, she used 12 liter 750 milliliter of it. So in the total amount of kerosene, she used 12 liter milliliter. So here you have to find out how much of kerosene is left with Sonia. Okay. So students, what is the first statement? Students, the first statement is the kerosene bought by Sonia. How much? 50 liter. 750 milliliter. Right? The next, kerosene used by her. How much? 12 liter. 750 milliliter. Right? So here you have to find out the kerosene left with her means Sonia. So here you have to do subtraction operation. Okay? Yes, come to milliliter part. See, 0 minus 0, it is 0. The next, 5 minus 5, it is also 0. The next, 7 minus 7, it is also 0. So here it is milliliter. Okay? The next, come to the liter part. 0 minus 2. We cannot subtract these two numbers, right? So you have to take a borrow, right? So here 0 will borrow 110 from tens column. So 110 is nothing but 10 ones, right? So it is 10. So after giving borrow, this 5 becomes 4. Okay? Yes, 10 minus 2. What is 10 minus 2? So 10 minus 2 is 8. So write here 8. The next, 4 minus 1. What is 4 minus 1? It is 3. So write here 3. So here they gave L. So write down here also L. So what is the difference? It is 38 liter 000 milliliter. Is this correct? No. Students, observe the milliliter part. Here the difference is 0. Right? So 0 means nothing. It doesn't have any value. Okay? So leave this milliliter part. We just read it 38 liter. Okay? So what is the conclusion statement? Students, so this is the conclusion statement. Sonia has 38 liter kerosene left with her. Okay? So students, I showed how to solve the word problems in the exercise number 5.4, the first one and second one, right? The remaining one problem is there, right? The third problem you have to solve in your home. Okay? So after finishing that, you please send a photocopy to me. Okay? Don't miss this. Yes, students, so in this class you learn a word problems, right? In the next class, I will meet with a new chapter. Okay, students? Okay, bye.